now the adventurous part of the journey starts, because we just have been to the hotel and I can't live there because they don't accept foreigners. Hey guys, after 1 year it's time again to go to China, and this time we will first go to Beijing and then to Wuhan. At the moment I'm in Frankfurt International Airport and will leave Germany soon. So stay tuned, and yeah, I hope you will like what I will show you this time. It will be a much different trip than last time. If you didn't see the 2017 videos, I recommend you to watch them. Now we will go to Beijing and then continue to Wuhan, so see you there.
It seems now there's a USB where you can watch your own videos. That's new, I didn't know it before, otherwise I would have taken a USB with some movies.
And I saw something good. They have the new Star Wars movie Solo. I didn't see it yet, so I will watch this today. First steps on the Chinese crown. We are now in Beijing and we will stay here for about 3 hours and then continue to Wuhan. So it seems there's a new regulation. I have to scan my fingerprints when I want to enter China here.
Please put your 4 left-hand fingerprints. Please put your 4 right-hand fingerprints. Please put your fingers in the center together.
So I got a receipt. So very fast process. It worked. And now we have to enter the country. Additionally to the fingerprints, you also have to fill out the arrival card. After a 9-hour flight, we arrived Beijing and we just passed the second security check for our second flight from Beijing to Wuhan. And yeah, now we have some time to kill and we will search for something to eat and then continue to Wuhan. We are now on the way to our second plane.
Hi.
And here at the airport we discovered something.
Hi.
These karaoke boxes. So if you're waiting for your plane and you want to kill some time, you can do a small karaoke party with one other passenger and enjoy your time here at the airport. And I heard it's not only at the airports but at a lot of public places, so for example in malls or something, that they have now these KTV boxes. Karaoke is famous in China since ever, and now it's possible to do it also while waiting, for example, for a plane. So this will be our second plane to Wuhan. It arrived here in Beijing a little bit late, so I think also we will depart later than expected. So now we will check when we actually will depart, because initially boarding should have started 15 minutes ago, but then the plane has just arrived. We will board the second and last one of today. So we will see us again in Wuhan. Final destination. We arrived in Wuhan and we also got our luggage, like you can see on my back. And when we left the baggage claim area, there are some people screaming at us, taxi, taxi. Never go with them because you will pay much more than you have to. What we will do now, we will take the subway here in Wuhan and we just follow the subway signs, and I think I already see something. So we are now at the subway and I went to the counter and bought a 3-day ticket because we will be here for 3 days in Wuhan, so I think that's the best ticket to go to. It's the most easiest thing I have, and I didn't buy the transportation card like I have it in the other cities because I will not stay longer in Wuhan and I'm not sure when I will come back, so the 3-day ticket is the best way for me to get around the city for the next 3 days. So now we will take subway line number 2, then change to number 1, and hopefully we will get to the hotel in 1.5 hours, and then yeah, we will see you there. Make sure when entering the subway, be first that you can get some seats, especially when you have a long subway ride from the airport to the city center. So we now have to change the subway for the last time to line number 1. Yep. And have a look how steep this elevator is. Pardon, it's not an elevator, it's elevating stairs. So very, very steep. We finally made it to the hotel. I'm looking forward to a shower and to go to sleep. Huge. Now the adventurous part of the journey starts, because we just have been to the hotel and I can't live there because they don't accept foreigners. That's sometimes the case in China. Usually you can't book it if it's this case, but this time it was possible to book it, even they don't accept me. So now we try to walk to another hotel and hopefully I can live there, and then I will tell you how it went. So see you at the next hotel. Okay, we now got in another hotel with another room. So I'm curious how it looks like because I didn't see any pictures of the room, and we just took the cheapest room they had. And Lynn, can you turn on more lights? Ah. Still not all of the lights, so there are still some lights missing. I think now we got most of the lights. Just, is this a light? I don't know. Okay, then let's start with the room tour. So a very big bed, looks very good. I like the room, how it looks in total, and then a nice desk. We also have the minibar, and now we will check how the bathroom looks like. So let's have a look in the bathroom, and that's me with my backpack. Yeah, also pretty nice bathroom, and we have a shower. And yeah, also nice, and you can open it, and like in a lot of Chinese hotel rooms, then you can look through the shower in the room or from the room in the shower. And my wife just told me that there is something interesting. So okay, they already put the name of my wife on the TV, so also very fancy. They told us it's a 4-star hotel, and now we check the view, and
The view is amazing. What the hell is this? It looks like flying kites with lights on it. It's amazing. And I think there are also some drones attached to it. So even if we are not in the hotel we actually intended to be in, I think we got pretty lucky to be here. So now we will eat something, have a shower and go to sleep, and then tomorrow explore Wuhan. Yeah, we will get something to eat for you now. Okay, see you tomorrow, and then the adventure will start. After today was just a very tiring traveling day. So see you tomorrow. Bye.